Here in this load, we need to make a set. And again, we can remove the part of a slab here. And here we need to create a set as a set nodal. Because we need to make a set nodal, we have to firstly mesh these our parts. For example, the first part is a slab part. We can this in element shape use text, and we can use the approximate global size as 5. It's okay, and it's we can also make these points near to each other. And here we have a mesh for a slab. And for concrete, again, we use these and quad dominate, and the size is 0.36 is okay. So we have meshed both parts, and we go again to the load. In the load, we want to create a set. Now there is a nodal, you can see that there is a nodal and element set. We select nodal. So here we want to make a force for this part, and also this part. We can hold the shift key on keyboard and select 3 different sections, and it's okay. Now in a load section, we can have a symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric and anti-symmetric. Continue. Which part we can dismiss here and select this surface and this surface, all of these surfaces as an encaster. Encaster means that we make here this surface very strong, but we want to make a force for this section. Another is a displacement rotation. The step is step 1. We select the set as a set nodal. So there is a Y axis, and we want to have a, for example, 17, but not here as a the negative is because it's the opposite of the Y axis. Oh, this error means that we didn't use amplitude, and the amplitude we have to select here amplitude sections. It's a tabular. In a 0 time the amplitude is 0, and in 1 it's 1. So we can use amplitude 1, and the distribution of the force is uniform, and it's okay. And you can see that there is a force from upside to downside, and that's enough.